Hi my friends, today we model this part, which seems to be simple, but you'll see that it is not so simple. Try for you to use this drawing and make the model. Yes? Stop here and try to model the part. We start by creating half of this circle around half of the part. So we create firstly this plane at 135 from this one. New standard millimeter IPT, and we apply F6 and we use this plane to create that new plane at 135. This is the plane. Let me make visible this one to have an idea about dimensions and so on. We use this plane to create a circle with diameter of 40, and we draw a vertical line specially placed near the center because we have to make coincident the line with the center point. Trim half of the circle, finish, and now we create the other drawing in this plane because we'll apply sweep. I draw a line to here, I keep pressed the left button, I go somewhere, I keep pressed the left button and I go somewhere outside. This circle is centered in the center point. This point is here, but I have to project it coincident this point with this point. Dimensions, this is 110 divided by 2. 110 divided by 2. The distance between this point and this end point is 100. This is the dimension in the drawing. We have a fully constrained sketch, finish, and we apply sweep as I said. Inventor recognize unique close contour and wait for us to select curve or edge. This is the curve or edge. Okay. Now I hide all these three planes and I apply mirror. Mirror of this feature, this unique feature about this plane. Okay. You see, we have mostly the part. We create a new sketch in this plane. We project this internal contour, finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical 40. Okay, very good. We continue with this radius 100 spherical. We select this plane, F7, we project this line and we create an arc to the center here. The radius 100 and the center of the arc is placed on the same vertical with the center point. This is horizontal and this is vertical. I apply horizontal to place it vertical. Also vertical is this point with this point, and we place this here. All we have to do is to draw an axis. This is axis. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay. And now this cuts. 20 is the width. This end arc is radius 45, and the centers are on a circle with a diameter of 40. Let's do this. We place a new sketch on the plane face, then line, horizontal, press the left button and go right here, and then here we place on the same horizontal, X is horizontal, the center with this. The distance is the radius of that small circle, 40 divided by 2. And then another arc connecting the ends. The radius is 45. Okay, and the center is on the projection of the center point right here. The only dimensions needed is the width. The width is 20. Finish sketch, extrude this with cut all the way up through the spherical face. Okay, then circular pattern of the last feature about the y-axis, 4, not 6 instances, and that's all. Let's see what is the volume. properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is here. Exactly the same. I cancel because we keep the previous value. Good. I apply the material, which is still carbon, and I also hide the edges. You see the result. Let's compare them. You see nothing. Yes, absolutely nothing. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.